Bonjour, this is Madame Smith. I was asked by one of you to give a step-by-step guide about the inversion. So I decided to put together this short 7-slide video to help anybody who has problems with inversion, which, as I said in my introduction to this week, is probably the hardest thing you will do in this course. So what is the inversion? We use the inversion to form questions when we want to speak or write in a formal way. Basically, it inverts the position of the subject verb into verb subject, and we use the hyphen. You have to remember that you must use a pronoun like je, tu, il, elle, even when the subject is a noun, and we will see this at the end. So I'll start with a simple inversion. Let's take the statement tu es sympa. Tu es sympa, you're nice. You're nice, you're funny. So here tu is the subject and it's a pronoun. The verb is et, yes. When I use the inversion, I invert the order subject verb into verb subject, and I put a hyphen in between them, so I will write es-tu sympa. That's all. This is a simple inversion with a very simple basic sentence. You pay attention when I have with the pronouns il and elle, and only with those two, plus verbs starting with a vowel sound like étudier, aimer, I have to do the inversion as usual and add hyphen, t hyphen, between the verb and the subject. So here is another pretty simple question. Elle aime le cours. She likes the course, the class. Elle aime le cours. Elle, subject, aime, verb. Now you see, aime ends with a vowel sound, and so does elle. So I write aime-t-elle le cours? Aime-t-elle le cours? The T has to be hyphenated on both sides. Let's see here another example. Il étudie l'anglais. This example is with the pronoun il, the masculine. Il étudie l'anglais. So étudie ends with a vowel sound. I do the same thing. Étudie-t-il l'anglais? That's how it's pronounced. Étudie-t-il l'anglais? As usual, T hyphenated on both sides. And when I have a noun as a subject, like in this simple sentence, Anne aime le cours. So I don't have elle aime le cours, but I have a noun, Anne. In this case, I start with the noun, Anne, and then I make the inversion by adding the corresponding pronoun, which is elle, because Anne is feminine singular. So I write Anne aime-t-elle le cours? So the noun opens the sentence, and you always have to have a pronoun. In this case, as I said, it's elle because Anne is a girl. So Anne aime le cours, statement. Anne aime-t-elle le cours? Question. Let's see another example. Les amies sont italiennes. Les amies sont italiennes. The subject here is les amis. The verb is sont, which is the verb être. It means the friends, the girlfriends are Italian. So I start with the noun, which is the subject, les amis. Les amis. Sont-elles italiennes? Sont-elles italiennes? So I use elles, the pronoun elles, because ami is feminine, plural. And again, the noun opens the sentence. Merci beaucoup.